Hi there, this is an AI-generated voiceover to guide you in this video. As I didn't have the same file, I have prepared a demo Excel file with all of the required columns. As you can see, it has a name, subject, preheader, send at, and body. This is just like your file. I have also prepared a demo HTML code in the body field to show you an example. As per your requirements, I have to prepare this demo project. For instance, just copy this Excel cell and paste it to your shown website and see the rendered version of it. As you can see, it contains formatting and links. Okay, let's go to the project folder. This is the file, named main. You just need to double-click on the file and all of your hard work will be done, and you will get your desired Google Docs documents to your Google Drive as well as at docs.google.com. As you can see, one file has appeared already. Here is another file. As we had only 2 rows in our Excel file, only 2 Google Docs were prepared. Let's see the files in Google Docs. All the formatting, link and list are there. I hope you like my work. Please let me know what you think and the time that works for you. I look forward to working with you. Thanks.